If it's green, it must be a green mamba, which works for harmless little bush snakes. Being mistaken for a deadly species has its perks. Enemies don't hang around. And humans are terrified of anything green. A bush snake bite might bleed, but they've got nothing on mambas. Very dangerous snakes. Why? Their potent neurotoxic venom is designed to stop birds flying off. A bite from one of these snakes can kill a human within an hour. So how do we tell harmless from hazardous? First off, know where you are. Africa is home to 3 species of green mambas. The eastern green mamba is found only along these coastlines. The Jamisons across Central Africa,